In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw arrows on chess.com mobile app. So first off, when you are in here, you just have to play online or play with boots. So I just have to say play in boots. It depends on you. Now once you are in here, just press start. Now I have to tell you that when you um when you give arrows to any object in here, so you just have to right click and drag. So as you can see, right click and drag. I see this, right click and drag. And if you want to change the color, you just press Alt or Shift or Control. So like this. As you can see, it changed color when I press Alt and drag. If I use I control, it turns to red. What if I change it into shift? So it's green, light green. So as you can see, when you press those control shift and alt, it will automatically gives you color like this one and this one, the red one. So just press alt or control or shift and then click any object you want and just drag and press and drag. And that's pretty much it. And when you are in the mobile app, there is an option that it will turn these arrows. But even if you turn on these arrows, I could say it won't be possible that you can do this in the mobile app. So that's it.